Let's learn how to completely uninstall Positron from a Mac. We'll delete the app itself along with any related settings and extensions. This process is helpful if you've decided you don't want to use Positron anymore, or you just want to start fresh with a clean reinstall. Step 1, I'm going to close the program. From the menu, I'm going to find the option to quit Positron. Then, following along in the notes that accompany this video, there are some commands we're going to run that's going to wipe Positron from our system. We're going to run these in terminal. To locate that, I'm going to open Spotlight by holding down Command Spacebar. Search for terminal. My terminal window might look a little bit different than yours, but the main idea here is we have a prompt where we can issue commands. So going back to the notes, I'm going to copy the series of commands that have been set up, and then I will paste that in. Then hit Enter to run the commands. When it asks for my computer's password, I'll type that in and hit Enter. And that's it. It was completely removed. And just as evidence of that, I'm going to go over to my Finder window into my applications. And you can see that Positron is no longer listed here. And I'm going to go ahead and do a fresh install just to show that when I reinstall it, none of my settings that I previously had are carried over because, of course, we deleted them. So I went ahead and pre-downloaded the Positron installer. I'm going to drag it over to my applications folder. And then going back to my applications folder, we can see Positron was reinstalled. So let's reopen it. My computer is seeing this as a brand new program and it's asking me to confirm that I want to open it. And there we go, a brand new instance of Positron. So you can see it was reset to that light color theme that is the default, which is different than what I had at the beginning of the video when I had customized it to a dark theme. We see the welcome page with getting started information, all of the things you would expect on a brand new install. If you want to learn more about Positron, I have a couple videos which I'll include links on the screen to check out. One is a general introduction to the program, and then the other digs into the AI capabilities that Positron provides.